Welcome to Video 8, Volumes. This video covers the volume formulae for all common solid shapes, with aviation examples such as fuel tanks and fluid reservoirs. Volume is the amount of three-dimensional space a shape occupies, measured in cubic units, such as cubic meters, or in liters. In aviation, volume calculations are used for fuel tank capacity, hydraulic fluid reservoirs, cargo hold capacity, and oxygen cylinder volume for life support systems. For a cuboid, volume equals length times width times height. A cargo crate measuring 1.2 by 0.8 by 0.6 meters has a volume of 0.576 cubic meters. For a cube, all sides are equal, so volume equals side cubed. A storage box with 0.4 meter sides has a volume of 0.064 cubic meters. For a cylinder, volume equals pi times radius squared times height. A hydraulic reservoir with radius 10 centimeters and height 30 centimeters has a volume of pi times 10 squared times 30, which is 9,425 cubic centimeters. For a sphere, volume equals 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. A spherical end cap with radius 8 centimeters has a volume of 4/3 times pi times 8 cubed, which is 2,145 cubic centimeters. For a cone, volume equals 1/3 times pi r squared times height. A nose cone fairing with radius 15 centimeters and height 40 centimeters has a volume of 9,425 cubic centimeters, exactly 1/3 of the equivalent cylinder. For a pyramid, volume equals 1/3 times base area times height. With a base area of 0.5 square meters and height of 1.2 meters, the volume is 1/3 times 0.5 times 1.2 comma, which is 0.2 cubic meters. Composite solids are made of two or more simple shapes joined together. Split the solid into cuboids, cylinders, or cones. Calculate each volume separately, then add them together. For this fuel tank shaped like a cylinder with a conical nose, cylinder volume is PR squared H equals 9,425 cubic centimeters. Cone volume is 1/3. Pi r squared H equals 1,885 cubic centimeters. Total volume is 9,425 plus 1,885 equals 11,310 cubic centimeters. Pause now and try this. A cylindrical fuel tank has a radius of 0.5 meters and a length of 2 meters. Calculate its volume using pi equals 3.1416. Volume equals pi times radius squared times height. 3.1416 times 0.5 squared times 2, which is 3.1416 times 0.25 times 2, gives 1.571 cubic meters. Question 1. A cuboid measures 2 m by 1.5 m by 0.5 m. What is its volume? Pause and choose your answer. The answer is B, 1.5 cubic meters. 2 times 1.5 times 0.5 equals 1.5. Question 2. A sphere has a radius of 3 centimeters. What is its volume? Using pi equals 3.14, question mark, pause, and choose your answer. The answer is A, 113.0 cubic centimeters. 4/3 times pi times 3 cubed. 4/3 times 3.1, 4 times 27 equals 113.0. Question 3. A cone has a base radius of 6 centimeters and height of 10 centimeters. What is its volume? Using pi equals 3.14 question mark, pause, and choose your answer. The answer is A, 376.8 cubic centimeters. 1/3 times pi times r squared times h. 1/3 times 3.14 times 36 times 10 equals 376.8. Here is your reference card for volumes. Cuboid, length times width times height. Cube, side cubed, cylinder, pi times radius squared times height. Sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed, cone, 1/3 pi r squared, h. Pyramid, 1/3 times base area times height. That is video 8 complete. You can now calculate the volume of any standard solid and break composite solids into simple parts. Video 9 covers algebraic properties and linear equations.